In this video, I will show you how to insert SIM card on an Android phone or how to put SIM card in Android phone SIM tray using Infinix phone. According to this video, you can put your SIM card to any Android phone SIM tray. So let's get started. First of all, look around your mobile to see which side the SIM card tray is located. Then you take out the SIM card tray with the SIM ejector tool. Now place your SIM card in the tray properly. In this case, make sure that the card part of your SIM card and the card part of your SIM card tray should be the same. If you have a memory card and there is a space to insert it, then insert it too. In this way, you can put your SIM card in the SIM tray of your Android phone. That's it. Thanks for watching. Keep watching our channel.